Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Haroon. So the premise of today's video is for me to walk you through my iPhone 12 current setup. I have the Pacific Blue theme going on, the case with the wallpaper and all that. But before I even go into that, I just quickly want to mention that I have two giveaways going on right now. The first one is David Dobrik Perfumes that he just came out with. I did a review on that, so make sure that you watch that video and see how you can enter that giveaway. The second one, the bigger giveaway, is for the iPhone 12. So I recently did a review on the iPhone 12 and I thought I'd do a giveaway on the iPhone 12. So make sure that you guys watch that video too and enter that giveaway too. But I got such an overwhelming amount of comments, such an overwhelming amount of feedback on both these giveaways on my Instagram, on my YouTube channel, that I thought I would do it a lot sooner. So initially I wanted the David Dobrik video to reach 100,000 views before I start the giveaway. The iPhone review, I wanted that video to reach 1 million views before I start the giveaway. But I thought I'd cut them down. The David Dobrik, I'm gonna cut down from 100K to 10,000. The iPhone review video, I'm gonna cut down from 1 million to 100,000 views. So guys, do whatever you can. Share both those videos with your friends, families, whoever you think would benefit from these prizes to enter these giveaways and win, right? All you literally have to do to enter these giveaways is follow me over on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell icon. You are automatically entered and you will be in the pool of people that could be selected. The best part is that I don't have a lot of followers on both. I don't have a lot of followers on Instagram or YouTube. Your chances of winning now are gonna be a lot quicker because I don't have to wait until 1 million or 100,000. You know, it's a lot shorter and it's a lot higher because I don't have a lot of followers on both. So make sure you guys enter both those giveaways. Everything is linked in the description below for you guys to enter. All right, that was a lot of talking. Let's go ahead and start with the main topic of the video. All right, so let's go ahead and start the actual video itself. I'm sure you guys are probably going crazy now with this whole giveaway thing, but hey, that is a free iPhone. Just gonna put that out there. All right, so this is it. This is my iPhone. This is my iPhone setup. I chose the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. And as far as the case, I went the basic route. I chose the silicone case. And I know you guys are probably like, hey, there's such better cases available. Why would you go with this? Well, guys, let me tell you this. I literally, when I went to the Apple store, I stood by the case wall and I tried every single one of those cases on my phone. And I think this looks the best with the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. I think this looks the sleekest. But the only downside to this case is that as you take it in and out of your pocket, the edges, the silicone parts on the edges of the case, they'll start to wear off. So it's probably not gonna last you a long time. So if you want something that's gonna last you a long time, then yeah, go with some of the other cases. But if you want it to look dope and look cool and look the sleekest, then go ahead and go with this case. That being said, let's go ahead and go with the wallpaper and what you have to do to select the wallpaper itself. So you'll actually need two applications. The first one is going to be Shortcuts. The second one is going to be Widgets. You can download them I think Shortcuts should come with your phone. Widgets, you just download from the App Store. And the icon set, which I purchased from I think a website. You guys don't have to pay for these. They're really nice, sleek looking icons. So you guys don't have to pay for these. Again, I'm giving these to you guys for free as a thank you. So as a thank you back to me, guys, support the channel like you have. And again, thank you all for watching and consider subscribing if you haven't already. With that being said, let's go ahead and show you guys how to set up this wallpaper. So what you want to do is you want to go into Shortcuts, right? In Shortcuts, you want to go ahead and click on, let's see. I've already done most of these. So you want to click on the plus sign, you want to add action. What you're doing here is you're adding an action to open an app. So we're going to go into scripting, we're going to go to open app, and then we're going to choose the app. And let's say I want to choose the application Amazon, right? With that said, you want to click on next, and then you would name the application Amazon and then click done. But I already have this set, so I'm not going to be creating another one. So as you can see, I have Amazon top left. Once you create the shortcut, you want to go into the three dots on the top right, click on that, and then you want to click on the three dots on the top right again, and you want to add this application to your home screen. So click on add to home screen. Here's where you'll choose the icon. So click on the icon that they have currently, choose photo. We're going to go into Amazon, so I'm going to click this white metallic one here. There you have it. You're going to add it to home screen and get out of here, and then we're going to go to our home screen. There you have it. So I'm actually going to delete this bookmark. I don't need that. So on my front page, I have the Amazon app Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you guys through how to do this. You get the point. Add whatever application you need on your home screen. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on mine, and then we'll catch back up with the Widgetsmith. All right, and the second thing is the Widgetsmith application, right? So you're gonna go into Widgetsmith, and here you have different types of widgets that you can add to your phone. The best part about Widgetsmith is that these are customizable, right? So let's say I wanna add a medium widget, and then I'm gonna click on that, and then I can I can literally go into it and customize the color. So tint color, I can choose purple, maroon. With my case, so I'm doing a whole blue metallic theme, I can do blue, right? So once you do that, you go back into it and then you save. So there you have it. You have that medium widget already saved, and you can do that with the small widget or large widgets, right? So this is that, and once you have saved all your widgets, you're gonna go ahead and go back to your home screen. You're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna click on that plus sign on top left, and here you'll be able to go into small widgets and then select the medium or large widgets that you've already created. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and click the medium widget and add that to my home screen. And then once that's complete, you can go ahead and select the widget again, hit edit widget, and then I think the first one that I created was widget itself, and then you select whatever widget you want. And for my case, I just have the this regular widget going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my home screen. You guys get the idea of what you have to do currently. Play around with what you want. I'm gonna set mine up and show you guys how I have it set up. So alright guys, so I've completed my setup, and as you can tell, I've mixed and matched the icons. So we have the dark metallic on top, then it goes to white, and on the bottom I went ahead and brought the dark metallic icons back. And we have two widgets. I have the medium on top, and then the clock, which is text clock, small size on the right side. As far as the background, I literally just googled blue themed iOS wallpapers. Whatever looked the coolest to me, I chose that as our wallpaper. And you guys are probably at this point wondering, how did you get your widgets to look transparent? Because all the ones that I've showed you before, you could only choose basic solid colors for them, right? Well, as I was making this video, I realized that Widgetsmith has a custom option, which basically allows you to pick any sort of widget. So you have your dates and your times and even the sizes, and add a custom background to those. So as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the date one and click on choose photo. And then you'll choose the background. Make sure that it's obviously the same background as your home screen. Now here is the thing. This is kind of like the most difficult part here. You'll have to play around with the adjust image tool to make sure that the background of the widget matches as close as possible to the actual background that is on your home screen. I wanted to quickly get this video out, so I don't really play around too much with that, so mine kind of look off. But I'm sure that you guys, if you play around with it a little more, you'll get it perfectly so it looks completely transparent. And make sure that you do the same thing with all the other widgets that you have as well. All right, and that concludes the wallpaper setup. Should be pretty simple and easy. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Do not forget to watch that iPhone review video. You are literally given a brand new iPhone, and a lot of you are not gonna click on it. So make sure you guys click on that. Join the giveaway, super simple. You have to just follow me on Instagram, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell icon, and you have a chance to win an iPhone. So make sure that you do that. If you don't do that, I swear to God, I'm kidding, I'm not gonna do anything, but you should be able to do that. 30 seconds of your time might win you an iPhone. So make sure you guys do that. I have nothing else to say. Peace out.